In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop saving screenshots to OneDrive automatically. If you've noticed, every time you press print screen or take a snip, a copy appears in your OneDrive, but that's because OneDrive can automatically back up screenshots. That's handy for syncing between devices, but it can clutter your cloud storage or upload images you'd rather keep local. In a minute, I'll show you exactly where the setting lives in the OneDrive app on Windows and how to turn it off confidently. First, look for the OneDrive cloud icon on your Windows taskbar at the bottom right in the system tray. It may be a white or blue cloud depending on your theme. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. The cloud should be there. Once you find it, click the OneDrive icon to open the flyout panel. This small panel gives you quick access to your files and the controls we need. Next, we'll open the settings. In the upper right corner of the OneDrive panel, click the gear icon to open the Settings menu. From that menu, select Settings again to launch the full OneDrive settings window. This two-step path is normal. The first click opens the Quick menu, and the second brings up the detailed controls where backup options are managed. In the Settings window, go to Sync and Backup. This section controls what OneDrive protects and uploads from your PC. Look for the option related to screenshots, typically labeled Save Screenshots I Capture to OneDrive. Turn this off. When the toggle is off, new screenshots you take will be saved only to your local device and will no longer be uploaded automatically to your OneDrive account. This change applies going forward. Any screenshots already in your OneDrive stay there until you choose to manage them yourself. That's all it takes. You can keep using your favorite screenshot shortcuts without worrying about surprise uploads, and if you change your mind later, just return to the same sync and backup area and switch the toggle back on. Taking a moment to adjust this setting helps keep your cloud storage tidy and your privacy in check. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.